Claire, as we are broadcasting live from the studio.
All right, this is Kyle Dabasha, also known as Duna Keyboard.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
We've gotten confirmation that we are hearing you loud and very clear. Now, Mr.
Yeah.
K, wow, where do I start from? You seem to be a very, very busy man. I am just looking at...
We're trying to learn from you, sir.
Well, tell us a bit about who you are. Who are you? What do you do?
All right. Just like I said, my name is Kyle Demosha. I'm a scholar and practitioner of music. For over 2 decades now, I've been engaging actively and practically in production, directing, teaching, training, and procuring performance, management, and I've also recently started DJing, just like you saw in the picture, where I have a radio, home-based radio, online radio, 24 hours radio that I broadcast from home, just broadcasting and showcasing gospel music. And we've got followers around the world. And also I'm a family man. I have a beautiful wife and 2 sons who are, we're a musical family. My son is a drummer, and my other one is learning singing. And my wife is also an artist that is also under our musical production. So one of the things I do also is the music production, which we have seen the logo out there, Dunak Music. Yeah, you can see. So we produce music and...
Hang on.
Music.
Yeah. Only you. You mean you are doing all of this? Which one will you leave for people like me to do now? Huh?
Well, as a matter of fact, you have even hijacked most of the things we've done and handed to yours.
Of whom much is given, much is expected.
You have hijacked our things from us, and you have added it to your own wealth of expertise. Can you imagine? What can we say?
Yeah, I mean, I saw something here. Music production, training. What do you mean training? What kind of training do you offer?
All right. We run music training, instruments, keyboard, drums, guitar. We also do vocal training as well. So, and we also offer choral training, music, modeling, and
Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Hello.
Like
Can you hear me loud and clear? You said
yes,
you do modeling. What kind of modeling?
Yes, like for instance, organizations like charity churches, we can help them to organize the music department of their church. We can look at how they run and help them to model a music that will be suitable for their congregation.
Incredible.
And help them to set up the equipment and whatever tools that they would need to really execute effectively. So we do that as well, consultancy and modeling, yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful. That is inspiring. Wow, Mr. K, this is really, if our viewers might have a comment, please be on standby because people might want to ask you 1 or 2 questions. Feel free, folks, if you want to ask K a question, I'm going to drop the line now and then you can call in and then we'll see if we can organize some kind of a